Hello good people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create sticky headers without using a plugins. If you can do anything on your WordPress website without using a plugin, the better, because we all know plugins, they slow down our websites. So let's get to it. As you can see, when I'm scrolling down on this website, you can see the header is moving together with the page, so it's disappearing. So we want to make it to be sticky, so when I'm scrolling down, the header is still there. So what you need to do is to click on the Customize tab and scroll down to Additional CSS here. Click on it. We're going to write a custom code to add a custom code so that we can achieve our sticky header effect. So down here, I'll write a comment just to make our code look good. Comments are good for codes, so to make other people understand what is happening on the code. So to write a comment, I'm going to do this sticky header. Then down here, I'll write my code. For the class for sticky header is this site header. The class for the header is site header, and we're going to add some code on it. So first I will write so first the position of the header should be fixed. Automatically you can see something already has happened to our header. It is there, but it's now smaller. So let's make it back to its position. So let's make it back to its previous length. So the width of the header will be 100%. And yes, you can see now it's back to its normal width. Now we click on Publish. We close this and let's see if it's working. Let's test this. Ooh, it's working. So as you can see now, when I'm scrolling down the website, the header is still showing up. Okay. I'll leave the code on the description box. You can just copy and use it on your website. Thank you for watching again. See you next time. Bye.